Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, how are you? Sir, is my voice audible to you?
Yes.
Okay, sir. So today we will start the new chapter.
Okay, all of you open your chapter number 21 in your book.
Sir, data handling.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Sir, I know, sir, you will start the data handling only.
Very good.
So it is very easy chapter.
Yes. So first of all, what do you understand by data, anyone? Do you know what is data?
Sir, the present day report.
Present day report is data.
Sir,
Sir, all the information or the reports called the data.
All the information, collection of information, any kind of information is known as data. Okay. For example, if I note down all the weight of all the students of this class, if I note down somewhere, so that will be called as data. I have some data with me. Okay. If I note down the heights of all the students of the class, that is data. I have the attendance record of all the students, right? In my attendance register. So that is also a data. Okay. Understood what is data? Raw data. Raw data means data when it is in original form. That is known as raw data. Okay. When the data is in original form, it is known as raw data. Tabulation of data. What do you understand by tabulation of data? When you write data in a in the form of a table,
sir.
that process is known as tabulation of data. For example, if I write the ages of few, weights of few students here in the form of table. Okay. So this is the name of the student in the first row, second row, weight. Okay. Suppose there is a student named A. Keep your mic off. Arey, keep your mic off. Daksh. Suppose there is a student A. His weight is 48 kgs. There is a student B. His weight is 44 kg. C. The weight is 51 kg. And there is a student D. His weight is 43 kgs. So what is this? I have written the data in the form of a table. So this process is known as tabulation of data. Okay. Writing the data in the form of table. Observations means the values. What is the weight of A? 48 kg. So this is an observation. What is the weight of B? 44 kgs. So it is an observation. So these are all observations. How many observations are there? 4
Sir, your
observations.
voice is not coming.
There are
Hello,
4
sir.
observations. Daksh, there is some network issue at
Hello,
your
sir.
end. Please join the meeting.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Daksh, I am saying there is some network issue at your end. Rejoin the meeting.
Okay, sir.
Now it is coming. So each of these values are observations. Okay. Frequency of the observation. Suppose I write one more here. The student is E and his weight is also suppose 44 kgs. So if I
Okay,
ask
sir.
you that how many students out of these five have 44 kg weight, how many students?
B and E.
Name number of
Sir,
students.
B and E.
Number of
Two.
students. Two.
Two.
So what
Two.
is two? Two is the frequency of 44 kg. What is the frequency of 44 kg? Two. So that means a particular observation, how many times it is coming, the number of times it is coming, that is known as
Sir.
frequency.
Yes,
Number
sir.
of times a particular observation appears in the data, that is the frequency of that observation. What is the frequency of 51 in this case?
Sir, C.
Only one. Frequency of 51 is 1 because it is coming only one time. Okay, that is known as frequency. What is the frequency
Sir.
of 43 kg?
1.
Sir,
1.
One.
1 because it is again coming one time. What is the frequency of 44 kg?
One.
2.
2.
two.
44 is coming two times, so its frequency is 2. Okay, understood. So this is
Sir, very
frequency.
easy.
Yes. Statistics means all this dealing with any kind of data is known as statistics. Dealing
Okay,
with
sir.
any kind of data, statistics is a branch of mathematics where you deal with data, any kind of data. You deal with it, you find out the central tendency of data, or you represent the data in the form of bar graph, pie chart, line graph. You have done bar graph in your previous classes. Even in this class
No.
also you have done
Sir,
bar
we have
graph.
done in half yearly.
You have done in half yearly also. So that is also a branch of it is also a part of statistics. Okay, so ये सब कुछ statistics के अंदर आता है. Dealing with any kind of data, okay, is known as statistics. So these are all definitions, all the terms that we will be using during the exercises. Okay. Also, in
Based on it.
if you start exercise 11, sorry, 21A, when you see the first question, you have to write down the definitions of these terms only. So it is your homework. Please write down the definitions of these terms.
Okay,
Okay, I
sir.
have explained each of the term here.
Yeah.
In
Sir.
question number 1, what you have to do, write down the definitions of all these terms. Okay.
Sir, we will write in our we will next question, so we'll write in the here only.
Sorry. You will
No,
start question number 1 because in question 1 we have to do the what we had to when we begin the chapter, we write down the meanings of the terms that will be used in the chapter, important terms that will be used.
yes,
So
sir.
here in question 1 we have to do the same thing only. So we will start with the exercise only. Okay.
Okay.
Let's start with question number 2. I have explained each and every term which will be used in the question, and
Sir, I will be writing after
also there
this.
in question
Yes.
number 1. Have you understood all the terms, everyone?
Sir,
Yes,
please
sir.
explain again raw data.
Raw data means when the data is in an original form. For example, if I ask Daksh, what is your weight? Your weight is so and so. Abhishek, what is your weight? Your weight is this. Laksh, what is your weight? Your weight is this. So when I write the data in original form, I collect it, I collect the data and I write it. That is raw data, original data. Okay. When I suppose after collecting the data, I do something with the data. For example, I arrange the data in ascending order. After collecting it, I have arranged the data in ascending order, or I have made a table of the data. So that will not be raw data now. Okay. So after you have done something with the data, that will not be called as raw data. The data when it is in original form, that is raw data. Understood?
Okay, sir.
A die, question number 2. We are starting with question 2. A die was thrown 20 times and the following outcomes were recorded. What is a die? When you play Ludo, do you see what that dice?
Sir, dice.
Sir, dice.
So that is known as a dice. Now it was thrown 20 times. In question number 2, they have said that it was thrown 20 times.
So we will make table.
Yes, and now the following outcomes were recorded. In the first time when it was thrown, which number appeared? The number 5 appeared. Second time when it was thrown, the number 2 came. Then 1, then 3, then 4, then 4, then 6, then 6, then 5, then 6, and then 2, and so on. The numbers kept on coming like this. Now we have to arrange this data in the form of a table. Okay, we have to make a frequency table for this. Very easy thing to do. So first of all, we will write down the outcome. So how many outcomes you can have? You will prepare a table like this. I am
20.
teaching you how to make a table. Okay.
So five.
We
Okay,
can
sir.
have 6 different types of outcomes.
Sir, we will use the mean formula also.
Not now, later on. 1, 2, 3,
Sir,
4,
only we will make
5.
the table of 2 lines.
Yes. So please adjust.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we are making the table of the telemarks or this
No,
one
without that. You can do it like this. only.
without that, or this in which we have to use the formula of mean with sigma
No,
and
not that
frequency.
one, not that one. Beta. We are making a frequency table. Okay. If you want, you can make a table with telemarks also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So frequency table, it is not compulsory to make telemarks. If you want to make telemarks, you can make. No problem. So first of all, the number 1, when you throw a dice, there are 6 outcomes possible. Numbers कौन से होते हैं dice पे? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? So the number 1 came how many times? Count it and tell me. This is known as the frequency. A
Sir,
particular
2.
outcome, a particular
Sir, 1
observation
comes 2 times.
came
Sir,
how
2.
many times? So it came 2 times. So that means this is the frequency of the outcome 1. 1 came 2 times. The number 2 came how many times? What is the
5
frequency?
times.
It came 5 times, correct?
Sir, 5.
Then the number 3 came how many times?
1.
Only 1 time. 4, how many times? Count it.
4.
1, 2, 3,
4.
4. 4 times. The number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Am I right? 6 times?
6.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 6
1,
2 times.
2, 6 2 times only.
2.
So these are the frequencies of all the outcomes. Okay. Frequencies. Frequency understood? A particular outcome has appeared how many times? The number of times a particular outcome appears is known as the frequency. Understood the
Okay, sir.
definition of frequency, everyone? With the help of
Yes,
this
sir.
frequency table. So question 3 and 4, we have to do the same thing which you are going to do in homework. Question 3 only you will do in homework.
Sir,
Leave
please
question
don't
number
remove
4.
this.
Make it quickly. Question 3 you will be doing in homework. Okay, all of you.
Question 4 we can do ourselves.
If you want, if you like to do it, you do it. Otherwise, there is no compulsion from my side. It is a very easy thing.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
When we will do in book.
Which one? Question 5, yes, we will do in book. 5th, yes.
Outcome.
Can we do these question fill-ups in question number 5? These are all definitions which we have already discussed in question number 1. All these are all definitions. Definitions कोई fill-ups में convert कर दिया है. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So let's start with question number 5. First part, data means information in the form of dash figures, numerical figures. Okay. Information in the form of numerical figures. Numbers की form में जब data होता है, that is, sorry, information होती है, that is data. Okay.
Okay.
Like I told you examples, heights of students, weights of students, how many days a particular student was present, attendance. All these are
So
numbers.
this definition we have learned in 6th class also.
Yes, good. Second part, data obtained in the dash form is called raw data. Which form?
Sir, original.
Original form. Data obtained in the original form is known as raw data. Very good. Arranging the numerical figures in ascending or descending order is called an array. Array, what is array? When you arrange the data in ascending or descending order, it is called array. So that is not original form of data. जब आप उसको arrange कर देते हैं, it is called array. Okay. Fourth one, yes, tell Utkarsh.
Sir, second one, can you tell?
Second one again, original form.
Okay, sir.
Please start your videos, all of you. Fourth part of this question, the number of times a particular observation occurs. Number of times a particular observation occurs is called
Sir,
Frequency.
frequency. Very nice.
Frequency.
Fifth part, arranging the data in the form of a table is called
Tabulation.
tabulation of data.
Tabulation.
Very nice. So all these fill-ups were based on the definitions only that we have already discussed in question number 1. Very easy thing. No problem. Can we start with question number 6?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
In question 6, we will be doing mean. So I will, when we do the question, there only I will tell you which formula we have to use. Mean you have already done in the previous classes also. Average. What is mean? Mean is average. Average of a given data is known as mean. Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
what is the formula? Do you remember the formula of average?
Sum of the given observation upon number of the given observation.
Sum of observations upon number of observations. Very easy, simple formula.
So,
So
like
here,
if the numbers are given 5 times, so the 5 will come in denominator,
correct. And you
and
will
that
add all
we
the
will
5 numbers in.
add all the numbers. Yes, sir.
So first question I am reading. Everyone, please pay attention. Finding out mean is no problem at all. The only thing you have to pay attention on is that you have to find mean of what. Okay, this is what you have to do
First
in
5
this
natural
question.
numbers.
So mean of first 5 natural numbers. Natural numbers are
One started.
starting from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the
Sir,
first
whole
5
numbers are
natural
that
numbers.
from 0 started.
So write down first, everyone. Write down first 5 natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These are the first 5 natural numbers. Now,
Excuse me, sir.
yes,
Sir, I got the answer.
very good, beta. What is the answer?
Sir, 3. Mean is 3.
Very nice, absolutely right. So the formula of mean, as we all know,
Excuse
sum
me, sir.
of, yes,
Sir, what is the meaning of mean?
mean, I'm writing it on the board. Mean is just
Average.
average of a data. Mean is a method of finding central tendency. Central tendency means a number which gives you the idea of the given data. ठीक है? एक ऐसा नंबर जो आपको एक आइडिया देता है डेटा के बारे में. That the numbers, all the numbers are around this particular number. That is mean. Okay. So sum of observations. I'm writing the definition also. Hammad, look at the book. Sum of observations divided by number of observations.
So this formula
Okay.
will come in higher classes also.
Yes, same. Sum of observations 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 upon how many observations are there? 5.
5.
When you add, you get 15 upon
15.
5.
5.
That is equal
3 is
to
the answer.
3.
3. So can we do next question by ourselves?
Yes, everyone, start doing the 7th question. Find the mean of first 6 odd natural numbers. First 6 odd natural numbers.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I got the answer of question 7.
Please post it in the group. I hope you all
Okay,
will
sir.
write the formula in the
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
question. Okay. What is today? The day is Friday, right?
Sir, 11.
No, day Friday.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, I sent.
Okay, beta, checking your answer.
Upon 5. 6.
Very good, Sushant. Absolutely right.
Sir, 6 is the answer coming.
Very good. Post it in the group.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, please post your answer of question 7 in the
Yes,
group.
sir. Please.
Sir, some sunlight is coming, so sir, you can sir, check. Sir, sent.
Okay.
Sir, sent.
Okay, beta. Okay.
Sir, can we do next question by ourselves?
Beta, do question
Sir,
number. I'm telling you which one you have to do.
excuse me, sir.
Question 10. 10. Arey, Daksh, I am saying hello. Daksh.
Sir,
Can you listen? Daksh Gangwar.
sir, can we do next question by ourselves?
Daksh Gangwar, I am saying do question number 10 after doing the seventh one.
Okay, sir.
Sent.
Okay. Very good, all of you. Daksh, Aditya, Abhishek, Utkarsh, Sukhsej. Very nice. Ahmad, बहुत अच्छे बेटा. Very good, all of
Sir,
you.
now we have to do eighth.
Very good, very good, very good. Excellent,
Sir,
everyone. Yes, 10th one now. After this, start doing the 10th one and post your answer. Find the mean of first 6 multiples of 5. Multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, and so on.
Sir, sent next.
Very good, very good, very good, beta.
Okay, sir.
Checking your answer.
20, 25.
Aditya, your photo has still not been posted. It is not there in the group till now. Is it?
Sir, I'm checking.
Yeah, now it is there. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. First 6 multiples. Beta, you have written 5 multiples of 5, not 6.
Sir, I'm
Aditya.
fixing.
Aditya, you have to write 6 multiples of 5, not 5 multiples. Okay.
Yes, sir.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. 30 also.
Okay, sir.
Correct it.
Sir, done.
Very good. Post it in the group.
Yes, sir.
Utkarsh is having some problem, network issue. Siddharth Pratap is there in the meeting or not? Siddharth Pratap, why are you not
Yes,
posting your
sir.
answer?
Sir, we are posting.
What about the rest of you?
Sir,
Jasmine,
sent.
Ayushi,
Sir, sent.
checking it.
Sir,
Beta, just a minute, let me check his answer.
that is my correct.
Beta, yes, Sushant. Why have you written denominator 5? It should be 6.
Oops, sorry, sir. Sir, I am doing the question again, then sending
Yes,
you.
yes. The correct answer. Very good.
Sir, these questions are very easy.
Beta, please don't do silly mistakes. Okay. You all know the
Sir,
concept. You
answer
all
is
know how to do
17.5.
it. You all know the formula. Everything you know. You are writing. Malab, using the concept also very nicely. But what is the if you do some silly mistake, then what is the use? You will lose marks if you do silly
Excuse
mistakes
me,
in
sir.
exam. Yes.
Sir, answer is 17.5.
Yes, 17.5 is the answer.
So my
So I'm directly writing the mean here. 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 25 plus 30. These are all the 6 multiples of 5, starting 6 multiples of 5. And denominator will be 6, not 5. Okay, because these are 6 observations. Correct. Now what is the sum? 15, 15, 20, 30, 50, 80 plus 25, 105 upon 6. When you simplify, you will get 17.5. Hamad, Sukhsahel, and Abhishek. Correct answer, Hamad. Correct answer, Jasmine and Abhishek. Correct answer. Very good, all of you. Well done. I hope everyone is writing the formula also. I have checked your answers. You have written the
Sir, it is
formula.
compulsory to write the formula.
yes.
Yes, absolutely compulsory. Question number 11. Now, in this question, all of you, have you all done question 10? Can we move on to question
Yes,
number 11?
sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
again, we will be making a small table with 3 columns, vertical table with 3 columns. Okay.
Okay, sir. So with 3.
Yes, 3 columns.
Sir, how many lines?
How many observations are there in question 11? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you need only 6, 7 lines. So here the data is about what? The data is about the following table shows the weights of 15 workers in a factory. There is a factory, 15 workers are there in the factory. Their weights are given, okay, in the form of a table. Weights and number of workers. So some workers have the same weight. Okay, I will show you. I will
Sir, wage means
explain.
salary.
Weight beta, weight, weight मतलब वजन आपका किलोग्राम
Yes, sir.
में होता
I
है
think wage. Wage. I
not
think the next question I was saying.
Sir,
हाँ
sir, under the weight it will be written x1.
yes weights the column the first column is known
Sir,
as
first column X, sir.
observations xi not x1 it is known as
Sir, FI.
observations then the second column is fi frequencies
Sir, third is FIXI.
third column you will write
And sir,
fi
third is
xi
sigma fi into xi.
wait for a minute beta wait so now what are the weights 60 kgs then 63 kgs then 66 kgs 72 kgs and 75 kgs. Okay, these are the weights of the workers. Now, how many workers have 60 kg weight? Tell me. How many
Sir,
workers?
number of workers
Sir,
FI.
4.
Yes,
One.
4 workers. Number of workers that have 60 kg weight are 4.
Oh, sorry, sir.
How many workers have 63 kg weight? 5 workers.
5.
3 workers have 66 kg weight. Only 1 worker has 72 kg weight and 2 workers have 75 kg weight. Now, what is FIXI? FIXI is something which you have to prepare yourself. It will not be given in the question. In the question, XI observations will be given, frequencies will be given. You have to find out the column
Sir, we will add
FIXI,
all the
make the
things.
column FIXI yourself, not add, multiply. Just multiply XI and FI, you will get the product. 60 into 4, 240.
240.
63 into 5, 189.
315.
Sorry, 5. I'm sorry. 5 threes are 15. 1.
The 315.
315, correct. 60,
Sir, but in
198,
Sir, 198.
72, 150.
Then
150. Finally, 150. Now, draw another line at the bottom. Now, you will write sigma fi xi. What is the meaning of sigma here? Sigma is just the short form of writing sum of FIs and XIs. इतना बड़ा word लिखने की जगह we write sigma. Okay, so it is
Sir,
just
we
the
say
short form of
summation.
summation also. That means the sum of all these values. Okay, sum of all the values in FIXI column. Okay, so that is sigma FIXI. Okay, so sigma is just the short form of writing it. 240 plus 315 plus 198 plus 72 plus 150. What is the sum, all of you? Tell me.
the 975.
Absolutely right. Then sigma fi. Sigma fi means sum of all the numbers which are there in the column fi. Fi column में सारे numbers का sum. What is the sum? 15.
15.
Okay. After doing this much,
15.
now there is only one thing remaining. All of you, please pay attention.
Mean.
This is mean, the formula of mean. Here, the formula of mean will change a little bit. Sigma
Sir,
fi xi
sigma bracket FI multiply by XI
upon
upon
sigma fi.
FI.
We know both the things. We know the numerator is 975. We know the denominator is 15. When you simplify, what do you get? 97.
FI
65 kgs is the average weight. That means the mean.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Sir, very easy.
Got it, all of you? In the
Yes,
same
sir.
way,
sir.
today in homework you will do question 12 and question 13 in homework. In the same way,
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Sir, our
12
exercise
and
is almost
13.
completed.
Very good. Do question
Bye,
12
sir.
and 13 in homework. Bye bye.
Bye,
Understood,
sir.
all of you? Have you all noted it?
Yes, sir.
Morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.